name is Anne, and I'm the sales manager here at the beautiful new over 50s resort in Agnes Water called Riverbend. What sets us apart is not only our luxurious homes and facilities, but the fact that we're here in Agnes. Agnes is surely one of the most beautiful places in Australia, if not the world. Please come up and see us. You'll love it here. And here's a drone shot of where we are with the homes. See you soon.